Hi everyone, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily save passwords in Google Chrome on your laptop so you won't have to type them again every time you log in. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome. Then, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. That's the Chrome menu. Now, you will see Password and Autofill. Click on it. And then click Google Password Manager. On the left sidebar, click Settings. Here, make sure that the first option, Offer to Save Passwords, is turned on. When this is enabled, Chrome will offer to save your password whenever you log into a website. Also, make sure the second option, Auto Sign In, is also turned on. This allows Chrome to automatically log you into sites using the saved passwords without even asking every time. Now, let's try it out. Go to any website where you need to log in. For example, I will open Instagram. Enter your login details as usual, your email or username, and your password. Once you click Login, Chrome will show a small pop-up near the address bar asking, "Do you want to save this password?" Click Save, and just like that, Chrome stores it securely. Next time you visit that site, Chrome will automatically fill in your login info. Super easy, right? And that's it. That's how you easily save passwords on Chrome using your laptop. No more writing down passwords or forgetting your login info. Chrome handles it all securely and conveniently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.